High energy, high energy. All right, here it is, guys. This is the Garage Mac wide body kit. It's a pretty rare kit from my understanding. We ended up finding the whole kit on a car that got imported a couple months ago, and it's already painted white. We did have Abraham paint the lip of the front bumper black so that it could accent a little better. But we're gonna go ahead and throw this kit on the car today, mock it up, see how it looks. I'm really excited. And then we'll go home and throw the wheels on. So let's see this car come together. I didn't want to go with a generic kit like Pandem or Vertex, but I did want to go something extremely rare because this is a special car, and since the rear got kind of messed up from the rear end accident, the wide body is really just going to cover all that up.
All yours.
The real reason that I'm okay with wide bodying this car is because you guys saw that we got rear-ended. It had some damage along this line. Now this wide body kit, it literally covers, as you guys can see, this whole area. So now, even though this has been repaired, it will be completely covered by the wide body, and it won't feel like I have a rear-ended repaired car. It's weird logic. There's no place for that. Probably like 250. This front holds up.
Ah, beautiful.
It's alright. Need some wheels.
That's crazy.
I mean, it looks crazy.
Ah, beautiful.
But I really like
She needs a bath.
Dang. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it needs a bath, it needs wheels. I'm getting excited. It's looking, it's a whole different car.
Anytime, brother.
Killed it, dude.
Anytime.
Wow.
That's good.
Yo, you're aura maxing in this clip.
All right. If you guys are in Jacksonville, you guys need a wrap, tint, or PPF, come visit us. We'll take care of you. As you guys can see, we got the Type R here. Beautiful, beautiful billboard car. We're about to throw on these extra wide work ZR10s. I think this is gonna look really good with the kit. It does require a little bit of a spacer, but I think it'll fit really well. And I'm excited because right now it looks goofy. So let's go ahead and throw these on. Caleb, if you're watching, this is not your impact gun. But if you're not watching, then this is Caleb's impact gun. Thank you, Caleb. This might be worse than we thought. This is what happens when we let low glow touch a car. All jokes, all jokes. Holy shit. Yeah. Ain't that something? Are you ready for this?
Oh. Dude.
Spice,
It's
bro.
like a race car.
Spice.
It's a race car, dude.
See, that's too big of a spacer for my taste. Don't film this.
Just go slow.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's perfect. Oh, nah, it'll self-clear, Randy. It'll self-clear.
Dude,
Yeah, you're chilling. Damn.
that makes me sick. It was turboed, wide body. What a day, guys. The Garage Mac S15 is finished. I really wanted a bone stock S15. So if I end up selling this one day, which might be soon, it's because it's just not what I really wanted. However, I will say it looks really good. It looks way better than I was expecting, especially with the work ZR10s. And the fact that this kit is so rare that I was only able to find one full kit in the US other than the other kit that I was trying to track down but was spread throughout the country, just makes it even that much more special. I drove all the way to Oklahoma, across the country for this kit. I don't know if I want to wrap it. I don't know if I want to get the body kit repainted. Honestly, a lot of this is in the air right now because truthfully, I'm really stretching myself thin to have this car, and that's really hard for me to say because this is my dream car, so we'll see. But if I can find a way to, you know, pay off my debts and, you know, continue to own this car, I'd be thrilled. We did what we could with what we have, and it's beautiful. I'm really happy how it turned out. I feel blessed to even have the opportunity to build a car like this. So I'm just really grateful. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the way the car came out. Huge shout out to Abraham. The way he installed it is another comforting thing for me to want to keep this car. I'm not a big fan of cutting up beautiful cars. Shout out to Abraham, Maldonado's Car Care over in D-Land. He'll take care of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all want me to keep this car? Buy this shirt. I got, I want to say like 10 more in stock. They sold out most of them. But if you guys want me to keep this car, pick up a shirt. Maybe it'll help. We'll see. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.